teach you about teamwork, discipline, and also teach you to be reliable to your friends, people you don't know. I mean, all those are good in life because it's probably the best sport to teach you about life skills.
1, 2, 3, Spaniards!
We're here to help you get better in the sport as well as a person.
All the coaches here are from the United States and speak pretty good English, and the terminology is all in English, so I mean it'll help you understand English speaking better.
It's the same thing. You have the same job. Okay?
Yes. Get out, get Brock to go fast. Get out there, run.
We all have fun out here. We play. We used to meet kids from all over the area, and it's the greatest sport in the world.
Come play football. You know, you have the best coaches from the U.S. to teach you, to give you the strength, the exercises that you need to be the best player that you want to be.